Big day today on the bike. 890 miles. Look where we are. We're at the Stern factory. We drove to Chicago to go to the Pinball factory. We did it. What an adventure. We made it. That's the steed that took me there. And here it is. We're at Stern Pinball. There's Eric. Unbelievable. Look at that pinball. This is so cool. We made it to the Stern factory. Wow. Only took 16 hours. It's 8 p.m. Actually, it's 9 p.m. because we gained an hour. We left at 4:15 in the morning. Hi, Eric. Congratulations. Eric's not really into pinball. Look at this. The ball. The pinball. Touch the ball. Unbelievable. We're in Elk Grove, Chicago. At the Stern factory. This is where they build the games. I wonder if Transformers is in there. Let's go look. Maybe my game's in there. All access tour. Oh, there's Fall of the Empires right there. How cool. Those Transformers. There she is. How funny. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a Transformers right there. There's the LE. I see the Transformers LE. It's right there. That's it. Right there it is. Transformers LE. They left it on. Jeez Louise. Fantastic. We made it. Let me in. It's locked. Oh, they won't let me in. Gary Stern. Alright, we did it. At the factory. We made it. Almost 900 miles today. God, I got this thing from my brain. Fantastic day. Long Island, New York to Elk Grove, Illinois. One day. And there's the pinball. The famous pinball. Alright, we made it. It's fantastic. Okay, adventure continues. Let's go to Alaska now. Bye-bye.